Hello everyone, today let's talk about carbon brush. For those of you who do not know what a carbon brush is, it is simply a device which conducts current between the stationary wires called the stator and the rotating wires called a rotor of a motor or generator. The contact point is of course on the commutator. Now carbon brush deteriorate as you use the power tool, and this depends on the type of carbon brush and frequency of use. I recommend occasional check to see if it needs replacement, because if left unchecked to the point that it deteriorated too much that the spring is touching the commutator, it would cause serious damage. If you do replace the carbon brush, be sure to pick a good one. What is a good and bad kinds of carbon brush? A good carbon brush is fairly dense, a little hard, and will not change much due to heating. A bad carbon brush is too hard or too soft, and or it changes as it heats up. An example of a bad carbon brush is one inside a single A battery. Please do not use this kind of carbon material. It is too hard for the commutator and may only end up breaking it. We have encountered people using this as we fix armatures. If you plan on saving money, do invest in proper carbon brush. Another example of a bad carbon brush is one that is soft. It deteriorates so fast and heat can make it pulpous and brittle. It may also cause blockage in the carbon brush holder as it solidifies again. The low quality carbon brush smells like a burning rubber, and it becomes so brittle it crumbles, although it hardens again as it cools down. Now compare this to this high quality carbon brush. Even if it heats up, there isn't noticeable changes. It doesn't smoke or become brittle. Use this kind of carbon brush for your power tools. If you do find the right type of carbon brush but bigger for your power tool, don't worry, you can actually cut it to fit in the carbon brush holder. Don't worry about the spring, just put it with the resized carbon brush as its job is to push and carry current. And don't forget to at least clean the carbon brush holder to free it from debris or whatever may blocking the way. Sometimes people forget this and thought that the power tool is broken. It turns out the brush isn't making contact with the commutator. And that is all for carbon brush. If you have any questions or suggestions or requests, please leave a comment below. And if you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video like this. Thank you.